I could fully realize the potential of stock market. Wealth Farm guide us through a holistic way to trade in stock market. I definitely recommend it. Hi, I'm Vini, co-founder of Travisia World. We are a strategic travel partner with Wealth Farms. By the way, we do most interesting job on this planet as a holiday maker. We make everyone happy. In this unprecedented times of COVID, when we all are restricted in the houses and many of us really don't know what to do, I believe it's right time to work on our business and our personal skill development since we cannot work in our business. In this lockdown, I got an opportunity to learn and watch stock market very closely and definitely learn and gain a lot out of stock market investment. I could fully realize the potential of stock market. Wealth Farm guide us through a holistic way to trade in stock market. I definitely recommend each one of you to check out what opportunity lies for you with Wealth Farms. All the best. Thank you.